Well, Rudy, Leslie, the reason that Texas and Florida will see the highest increases in FEMA flood insurance premiums is because these two states have had the most people move into them during the past few years. But there are other reasons why these costs are going up.
The prices that we're seeing in premiums are related to the cost of materials. So if a home needs to be replaced, if a home needs to be rebuilt, they're factoring in those costs.
Elke Gonzalez is Chief Executive Officer of the Corpus Christi Association of Realtors. But material costs aren't the only reason. Until now, flood risk was based on a property's elevation and whether or not it was located in the 100-year floodplain. FEMA's new methodology will consider other factors like flood frequency, your distance from a water source, and the cost of rebuilding, as well as different types of flooding like a storm surge, river overflow, and heavy rainfall. Gonzalez says to shop around for insurance.
The flood overhaul has been very shocking to us agents in this area. The rates have really gone up. We've lost our local community rating, so everyone is being manually rated, which is causing the rates to go up substantially in this area.
There are more than 760,000 FEMA policies in Texas. The cost increases are hitting flood-prone Texas and Florida at a time when both states are seeing their population swell due to pandemic-driven migration. Texas and Florida, the two most populous states behind California, have soared in popularity as remote work and surging home prices have prompted Americans to seek out more affordable places. But local insurance agent Stephanie Waterman says there are some things you can do.
Get a flood elevation certificate. I've seen it where my federal flood rates for someone is $1,200 a year. And after someone gets that engineer to do a flood elevation certificate, it can go down to $600 because it's specific to that.
Over the long term, these cost increases could spell disaster for low-income homeowners who can't afford pricier insurance and for future growth in the riskiest housing markets. Leslie, Rudy?
All right, thank you, Brian, for that. And